Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to copy your Tumblr profile link. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to click on this icon, after which click on these two dots here. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Copy. So we just copy our profile link, and you can simply take this link and share it in any of your social media platforms. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.